Exactly. That's why I like my Android when I'm videotaping to get the true look of the outside. Because iPhone has that light on there. Somehow it makes it look light and it's dark. 'Cause I don't know, it look like it's 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock at night right now. Look at these clouds though. This actually the Android not it's darker than the iPhone, but it's still not showing the true darkness. Baby, we still got 45 minutes to get home. Oh, when I say this Houston weather, when they say bipolar, I mean bipolar. This was hot as crap, and now every other day we on the side of a hurricane weather. You know, it floods out here all the time. It's always a flood out here in Texas. And it's time. It's going down. It's dark, baby. Because the only thing I don't like is if I gotta start driving it. I don't mind, you know, the rain, but when it's lightning and thundering and all that, I got lightning especially. I got to be indoors. I don't do well with driving and lightning. I can't do it. And if it's raining real hard where I can't see, I got to pull up. But I'd rather get to where I need to get because it floods out here easily. Out here, especially on this 45 freeway, different exits, floods, and then come this traffic and people don't know how to drive, so it'll be like 5 or 6 accidents. And this freeway is already traffic for now. It's 11:59. It's probably already accident. I need to get over so I can exit, go the back ways. Shouldn't even be no traffic right now at this time of the day. Yet here we are. Here we are. We just came from the medical center. Hate driving on this 45 coming from the south side of Houston because this 45 traffic is no joke. Seriously. It's me and Maya, sidekick. Every food I have bought today to meat to eat is nasty. Oh Lord, yeah, we gotta find an exit. That freeway is backed up all the way down. So can I get over? Come on, trailer. Oh my goodness, it's at a standstill. Dog it out, get home so we go to his house. Say he live over here, something like that. Girl, we gotta get out. Come on, ma'am. See, I don't got time to play with you. You know, you acting like you exiting and you getting over. I got time for all that. Be caught in the storm messing with you. I'm trying to go the back ways. I need to go 59 now. Take the back way home. Oh, definitely finna go the back way. I don't know what's going on. GPS ain't even telling me. I have a GPS on just for these reasons. Just any accidents or a different way I need to go. GPS haven't been telling me nothing lately. Getting me in all these traps of traffic. Just stand still. All this traffic. Freeways on a lock. Raindrops have started. Raindrops have started. So I have exited. I'm gonna take a back way or feet might be too packed around the feet. So I can just take the back way. Come back up around over this traffic. The rain has started. We get washed away into the rain. Rain, rain, go away. Come back another day. Rain, rain, go away. Come back another day. If you don't, I don't care. You don't know nothing about that. It's kids. Sing a song. It's back in Mr. Roger days.